Hello dear student, good morning. We have completed part 1 of chapter angles, lines and triangles. Now we are going to discuss objective question. It's part 2. In this section, we also discuss 10 questions. If you are not seeing the video, please it's a first see it's a first part. Then go to second part to complete all the to clear all the concepts. Now let's start. First question, in the given figure AOB is a straight line. If angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, angle COD is equal to 4x and angle BOD is equal to 3x, then we have to find angle COD that is 4x. Okay, then first of all we know that it is AOB is a linear pair, so here sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. Then first of all we have to write 40 degree plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. Now 7x is equal to, because it's a objective question, so we have to do it fast. Okay, not a subjective question. 7x is equal to 140. Now x is equal to 20. Now we have to find angle COD, that is 4x, that is 4 into 20, that is 80. Then the option is 80 degree. Now 12 number, similar questions. In the given figure angle AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Angle AOC is equal to 3x minus 10, COD is equal to 50 and BOD is equal to x plus 20. Then we have to find angle AOC. First of all, sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree, that is 3x minus 10 plus 50 plus x plus 20, that is 4x 50 plus 20 70 minus 10, that is 60 degree, 60, which is equal to 180. Now 4x is equal to 120, because when 60 goes other side, then we subtract it. Then 4x is equal to 120, then x is equal to 120 by 4, that is 30. Now we have to find angle AOC, that is angle AOC is equal to 3x minus 10, that is 3x minus 10. We have already found the value of x is equal to 30 degree. Now we apply 3 into 30 minus 10, that is 90 minus 10. Now also all the and also this question's answer is 80 degree, that is option C. Now in which of the following statement is false? First, through a given point only one straight line can be drawn. No, may more than one straight line. 2 point through 2 point only one straight line can be formed. Option B, through two given point it is possible to draw one and only one straight line. Right? Obvious. We have discussed. To then the answer is option A. Now option C, two straight lines can intersect only at one point. Third, fourth, option D, a line segment can be produced to any desired length. Yes, of course, line segment can be produced this side also. 14 number, an angle is one fifth of its supplement. Then measure of the angle is. In this type of question, let the angle is equal to x. Then its supplement is 180 minus x. If there is complement, then let x let the angle be x, and its complement is 90 minus x. Now according to question, x is equal to one fifth of its supplement, that is 180 minus x. Okay, now solve it to x. Then you find that x is equal to 30 degree. In the next question, in the adjoining figure, angle AOB, sorry, AOB is a straight line. If x is to y is to z is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 6, then y is equal to what? We have to convert it into same ratio, then write it in into case form, that is x is equal to 4k 4k sorry x is equal to 4k, and we know that all the angles sum is equal to 180 degree. Then we do also that 5k plus 6k is equal to 180. Now 9 plus 6, that is 15, 15k 15k is equal to 180. Now k is equal to 180 by 15. Now cancel it, 5 3 ja 63 ja, that is 5 12, that is the value of k is equal to 12. Now put all the values, that is x is equal to 4k, that is 15 into 4 60 degree. The value of x is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, y is equal to 5k, 5 into 12, that is 60. Option A is correct. Now in the given figure, straight line ABCD intersect at O. Angle AOC is equal to phi and angle BOC is equal to theta. Then theta is equal to 3 phi. Then the value of easy question. This forms a linear pair, that is we know that theta sorry theta plus phi is a linear pair, that is 180 degree. In the given question also mention that theta is equal to 3 phi. Now 3 phi plus phi is equal to 180 degree. Then from this, phi is equal to 180 by 4, 180 by 4, that is phi is equal to 45 degree. That is the answer. In the given figure, two straight line AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC, angle AOC plus angle BOD is equal to 130 degree, then AOD is equal to what? First of all, take this that is it forms linear pair, and also take similar this or this. Then two equations here form two equations. Then from from the given two equation, we find that angle AOD is equal to 115 degree. 18 number, in the given figure, AB is a mirror, PQ is incident ray and QR is reflected ray. If angle PQR is equal to 108 8 degree, then AQP is equal to what? We know that this angle AQP is equal to angle BQR. Then x plus 108 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to, you can find that because incident angle and reflecting in the given mirror, incident angle and reflected angle is equal from the rule of reflection. 18 number, answer is 36 degree. Next, 19 number, in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Angle OAB is equal to 124 degree and angle OCD is equal to 136 degree. Then angle AOC is equal to what? We have to take this take a line O, suppose that E, parallel to AB and CD. Now from the rule of parallel intersected line, there is intersecting line AO and CO. Then you find that angle AOC, that is, if there is x, then the sum angle EOC plus 136 degree is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay. Similarly, angle BAO is equal BAO plus EOA is equal to what? 180 degree. That is sum of AOE or EOA plus EOC. You can find that 19 number, so answer is equal to C, 100 degree. Okay. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD and O is a point joined with B and D as shown in the figure, such that angle ABO is equal to 35 degree and CDO is equal to 40 degree. Reflex of angle BOD, you have to find this type of angle. Its answer is 20 numbers, answer is 285 degree. Same rule, parallel line, take parallel line to this. First of all find this line, parallel, first of all this angle, then this angle, co-interior angle. You can solve this. Answer is 285 degree. So finally we have done 10 questions with proper description. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, first of all subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.